Hi, let's take a quick look at how Caleo works for own network management. So if you have freelancers or partners that you offer assignments to and they respond with offering their candidates to you, then Caleo is a perfect tool for facilitating that. So here I'm in Caleo. I'm working as this own network manager. So I have the network configured ready in Caleo and the partners already in the network. Uh, so here I am creating an assignment that I want to tell to the partners in the network. So here what I can do is of course tell with what is going on. Basically this can be the network company name, your company name. This will be shown to the partners. And then here you can add the most common things, so deadline, start date and date, where it is from, is the subcontractors allowed, is remote allowed. You can of course tell more of the situation here in the description, whether it's about how remote it is and what is expected from the candidates. In addition of having the description, you can also create roles. So I've done one role here, so we can do another. So let's do meet Java developer. So we can add Java here, and then add some stars, add some years. So let's do it like this, and then let's add spring also, and let's add like 1 year. And then you can add English from here. So here I've created a role. Now we can save it. So we have senior Java developer and mid Java developer. Right. So uh, what is the most important stuff is to select the network like I've done it. So I've added this to the network I want to share it to, and then I can add myself as a part, the contact person, where the if there's any questions about the assignments, then the partners and freelancers know who to contact. So yeah, everything looks good. And on this bottom right corner here, we have this checkbox. It says that send email notification to and this partner network. So basically, we will email this partner network. Basically, all the members of that network. So all the suppliers that are part of my network. And then I click that, and then I have this save button underneath my image here. So yeah, when I click it, what happens is that we've now sent the assignment, and then it's here. So we have ERP development and senior and mid Java developers. So what happens is an email notification is sent, and here we have the partner. So here the partner, you can see I changed the user. So this is what the suppliers would look like. So here they have they have got an email about this, and what they can do here is that they can go here. So what they can see is that who is the customer, what is the assignment, the start, the end dates, all of that what we added there, and then they can also see who to contact and all the description that we added. So here, basically adding the candidates to offer to this, we can add these proposed candidates. So let's do the senior Java developer, and then we have one match that is not perfect, but is a partial match, and then we can of course offer with CVs. So we can add this color profile if you have added them and they are available. So the start date and end date is based on this. And then I can also add CVs. So let's say I add CVs from here, and then I've added now that. And now if I want to tell something, I can do that. So relevant information, yeah. And then the pricing. So let's say I want to 55 euros from these guys. And then, yeah, if I want, I can send also a copy of the proposal to the supplier's own salespeople. So I'm here as a supplier. So basically, if I click this, all of the sales personnel in my supplier company will be sent a copy that, hey, I've proposed Mikko and Mauno to this this case, which is senior Java developer. Right. And then I can just send the proposal. So when I click this, what happens is that now we've sent the proposal, so we can go back to this place, and then let's just go to back to the assignment side. So now if we go to here to see what's going on, we now see that there's empty roles. So there's this mid Java developer that does not have any proposals, and then we have the senior Java developer that has proposals. So if we click here, we can open this, and what happens is that we have this proposals here. So all proposals we have are listed here. So you can see here's an attachment, so a CV, and this is a Caleo profile that I can download as a PDF. And if people will offer with Caleo profiles, you can download the PDFs with your logos and your coloring. So this is because I'm using this as a codeman. I get to have this codeman things, even that Mikko Virtanen is a partner and belongs to another company, not to Codeman. Right. And then you can of course go to profile and see what's going on in there. And you can of course download the attachment here and then offer them to the customers. And the whole process of the sales can be tracked here in this notes section. So you can write anything that if there's like Henry Tukia, and then you discussed something with that okay, Mikko is good to go or something. And then you can save, and whoever changes this will be always here in this version history. So when the sales have some internal comments about the case, this is only visible to the network people who have access to this. So only the managers who are managing these searches and initiating these searches and working with them. So this is something that the partners cannot see who has been proposed or what the notes are or anything related to that. Right. Then in cases where someone offers you a candidate not in Caleo, you can of course add it also to Caleo yourself. So if you can click here, you can propose a candidate with this. So just dragging the CV here, and then you're good with that. Or you can also add your own personnel there if you wish, but this is mostly for the CVs that you can add the CVs there. Right. So this is the basic case. So the partners can see the cases and propose to the cases, and then you can see who has been proposed and then manage the communication about the case in Caleo. So this is how you can manage the own network. Initiating the network and how to manage the network will discuss in a separate video, but this is for the operations in the network. So creating assignments, sharing the assignments, getting responses to the assignments from partners, and then managing the status of what's going on and when to offer this to the end customer. Or then if you are the end customer, then of course you can just offer this to whoever is responsible for the project that this person would be suitable for. Thanks.